Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is Nash from Tesla and the Gong. This is the update that we've all been waiting for. This came to my Model X and Model S within seconds of each other. This came less than 24 hours ago. I did have some time to look at it. This is 2019.32.1 and it has a very important update for us here in Australia. The web browser is finally activated in park mode. This is something which we've been waiting for and asking Elon for a very long time. It finally is here. In addition to that, we do have two important other updates too. This is the lane departure avoidance, and this has a few features in it I'm going to go through in just a bit. It also has the emergency lane departure avoidance as well, and that can be activated inside of the autopilot settings. Now first up, we're going to look at the web browser. Rightio, now how do we get to the web browser? We have to go to this app launcher, which is the chevron button. When you click on that, that'll open up the app drawer, and that has a new icon which says web. This only happens when the car is in parked state. Now when you put the car into drive, that you'll see when you go back to the app launcher, there the web is grayed out, so you can't access that. So you have to go back and put the car in park, and then the web will be activated there. So you can go in there again and click on the web browser like so, and that will open up the web browser there. This is absolutely awesome. Because there's something we've been waiting for a very long time, and this is the website that I always use now. I'm really impressed with this. It is called a better route planner, and I made this as default, so it'll always remember what a website you last opened. And the most important reason why I'm using this web browser to use this website is because of this: add waypoints. For me, it's very important. As you see, you can add waypoints to your route and plan it. Obviously, when the car is driving, the web browser is grayed out, but at least I'll know where I'm going next to get my charge, and that's very important for me. So that's the full screen, and you can see that the web browser takes the lower half by default, but you can always click and pull and make this into a 2/3 screen as well. And I'm really impressed with the rendering engine. You can see it is reasonably smooth. Seeing some of the recent UIs from other cars that are offered, I'm really happy that Tesla went and invested a lot into this MCU, and even for a car which is 2018. And I've seen videos of people who have cars earlier than that, and the web browser seems to work and very smoothly. I'm very impressed. So that is there. I tried to see if it'll go into a mini window, but it doesn't do that. It makes no sense. I just wanted to try that, and that is the way you use the web browser. One more time, click on that. It does go back and default to a 1:1 or 50% of the lower half of the screen, and then you can pull it up. Okay, the next one, settings app, and if you go into autopilot, you'll see there's a new menu that has come up, a new checkbox. It is called emergency lane departure avoidance, and you can set it as off. You can set it in warning, and you can set in assist, and I'm going to keep it in assist, of course, because I use autopilot a lot. You click on that, you can actually go and read that. It says it will warn or assist in correcting the steering when the vehicle is starting to drift. This is an amazing feature. I really love it, and I hope that it is implemented across the board in all vehicles, either ICE or otherwise. I want them to be made standard. The other one is you can change the type of your tires. So if you go into service, you have this new menu called wheel configuration. So if you click on wheel configuration, you can now configure what wheel you're using. And mine is a Sonic Carbon Slipstream 20 inches wheel. It comes on by default. I can always change it when I decide to change my wheels. And that is a wheel which I love, the Onyx Black Turbo, and it's absolutely awesome. I couldn't afford to buy it when I bought the car, and that's why I decided to go with the Sonic Carbon Slipstream. It's as close as the black, but the black always wins over this one, so that is fantastic. So you can go and confirm that, and that will be set as a default. And the other one in this update is Norwegian as a language, so that's very important for people. So there you go, guys. One more time. The way the rendering engine works is really awesome. I'm really impressed. So you see, that is the Tesla website with all its UI and all its GUI features. It's pretty awesome. I'm pretty impressed. Alright guys, thank you very much. This is Tesla and the Gong signing off. I'll see you guys in another interesting video very soon. Please do take the time to subscribe to my channel. If you need a Tesla referral code, please use mine if you think my videos have been useful. Otherwise, go to evchampions.io to get other Australian referral codes. I'll see you guys very soon. Until then, peace.